Many individuals know how frustrating, and sometimes dangerous, it can be when equipment and tools shift around in a truck bed. Yet, only a few companies offer real solutions. Dee Zee is one of them. It is built from strong 16-gauge steel and finished with a rust-resistant coating to handle tough use and everyday exposure. Stretching across the full width of the truck bed, it offers plenty of room to organize tools, gear, and other essentials while keeping them within easy reach. The drawer opens from either side, eliminating the need to climb into the bed to grab what's needed, and a solid locking system keeps everything secure. Designed to fit under most tonneau covers, the drawer requires drilling into the bed to stay firmly in place, a key step to ensure it can handle heavier loads without shifting. Before installing, it's important to confirm it fits both the truck and the tonneau cover. This smart design keeps the bed organized without sacrificing space or accessibility. Its full-width build takes advantage of the truck's size, making it ideal for hauling everything from job site tools to personal gear. The Centurion Canopy is made from tough aluminum, with a 200 kg dynamic load rating and a 600 kg static load rating when the vehicle is parked, especially when used with the cantilever roof rack. It has full-width gull-wing side doors for easy access, heavy-duty locks for security, and a powder-coated finish that resists corrosion. Unlike fiberglass or plastic canopies, this one is designed to handle real-world use without bending, sagging, or cracking under pressure. The aluminum frame stays solid even with large side doors cut into it. With full-width openings on both sides, it's simple to reach gear no matter where it's stored. Thanks to its strength, the Centurion Canopy easily carries heavy rooftop loads, whether you're heading to a job site or packing for a weekend trip. Paired with the cantilever roof rack, it becomes even more capable, giving you confidence when loading up. The powder-coated surface holds up against rough conditions like coastal air, muddy work sites, and backcountry roads. It needs less upkeep than other canopies and keeps looking good over time. Strong locks help keep tools and gear secure, giving better protection than plastic-bodied options. Careful water management and tight door seals keep rain out, so what's inside stays dry even in bad weather. Whether it's used for work or adventure, the canopy is flexible enough to handle everything from shelving and fridge units to rooftop tents and bike carriers. This canopy will cost you at least $7,180. Next we have Iconic X. It is a fully enclosed truck cap made from 125-inch thick marine-grade aluminum, giving it serious strength compared to most others on the market. Its one-piece, drop-in design forms a tight seal that keeps gear protected from the outside environment. Heavy-duty stainless steel hardware and lockable whale-tail handles, all keyed alike, add extra security. Even with its tough build, the X1 keeps weight reasonable, starting around 478 pounds, which helps the truck maintain good balance and fuel use. It's made to fit a wide range of models from Chevrolet, Ford, GMC, Ram, Toyota, Nissan, and Jeep. Users can pick between 3 and 8 doors, depending on how much access they want, and the setup lets them decide whether to keep or remove the factory tailgate. Some measurements are standard, like a 48.5-inch rear door opening and a total width of 71.3 inches. But the cap's length, height, and side compartments are tailored to fit each specific truck. Storage is well thought out, with adjustable shelving inside the side boxes, optional cross boxes with space for drawers, and bed slides that can hold between 1,200 and 1,500 pounds. There are also choices for roof rails in different styles. LED lights inside each compartment with white and red settings, an enclosed conduit box for hauling longer materials, and the Gentili G2000 Harrier system, which makes ladder handling a one-person job. The X1 is built for professionals like contractors, electricians, HVAC techs, and first responders who need their gear organized, secure, and ready for anything. Its tough aluminum frame holds up to daily demands, and with flexible setups and optional gear, it lets users organize their truck exactly how they need it. For anyone who works from their truck, the X1 offers a smart, practical upgrade. Prices for the X1 start at $10,000. With just one simple move, you can transform your pickup truck into a house on wheels. This isn't science fiction. It's a real product you can buy today. For $3,500, you can get the Yakima SkyRise HD Medium Rooftop Tent, which conceals a spacious 3-person tent while you're on the road. Plus, it also functions as a carrier for bikes, surfboards, and other gear, making it perfect for adventurous travelers. It is designed to fit up to 3 people, handling a total weight of 600 pounds. When open, it stretches out to 56 inches wide, 96 inches long, and 48 inches tall. Packed down, it measures 58 inches by 48 inches by 17 inches and weighs around 114 pounds. It comes equipped with a 2.5-inch thick, high-density foam mattress, complete with a removable, washable cover, and offers 48 inches of headroom, enough space to sit up comfortably. Built for year-round travel, the SkyRise HD Medium uses durable 600D ripstop polyester and a 3000mm PU waterproof coating to withstand rain and snow. A separate rainfly provides an extra layer of protection. Large doors, multiple windows, and 2 skylights keep the interior bright and ventilated, while the frame design maximizes usable space without expanding the tent's footprint on the roof. Storage pockets and gear loops help keep everything organized inside. Setting up the tent is quick and easy, thanks to the speed clamp system that attaches securely to roof racks without the need for tools. The initial setup, installing the mounting rails and ladder brackets, usually takes about 15 minutes. Opening the tent involves removing the cover, unclipping the straps, and unfolding the tent with the help of the ladder. Packing it away is just as straightforward, simply reversing the process. If you own a pickup and an ATV, take a look at this. The Marlon XPLORE SXS deck is designed to carry side-by-side vehicles, fitting both 2- and 4-door models up to 120 inches long. With an optional extension, it can handle 4-seaters up to 165 inches. The deck's outside width measures 76 inches to fit the widest factory models, while the 50-inch inside width suits narrower trail machines. It comes with 10-foot aluminum ramps that have 4-inch side safety edges and rung protectors for better grip when loading or unloading. Compatible with both short box trucks, at least 6 feet 2 inches, and long box trucks, it uses adjustable legs to create a solid, stable fit. The TireNet tie-down system lets the vehicle move slightly during transport, which helps protect the suspension and improves overall stability. A built-in winch plate and pull point work with winches like the Warrior 3500 XT to make loading easier. The deck uses a bolt-down system with stainless steel hardware and a black powder coat finish to handle rough use and resist corrosion. Features like movable side steps, a front tire cradle for exact placement, and optional accessories like toolboxes and riser extensions add to its practicality. With more than 20 years of experience behind its design, the XPLORE 2 SXS deck is built to meet real-world demands. Finite element analysis and hands-on field testing were used to check its strength and performance across different conditions. Adjustable legs and a secure bolt-down setup make it fit a variety of trucks easily. Safety is a key focus, with side-loading bars and ramp grips designed to help during loading. The deck also lets users haul an SXS and still tow a trailer without losing turning radius. The ramps tuck under the vehicle during transport, leaving room in the truck bed for extra gear. The SXS2 platform is priced at $3,300. Norbeer is a 42-litre refrigerated beer dispenser made by Norweld specifically for 4WD vehicles. It runs on the vehicle's 12-volt electrical system, keeping the beer at a steady temperature no matter where the road leads. Built from marine-grade aluminum, it handles tough conditions and resists corrosion. It mounts directly onto Norweld's aluminum ute trays and canopies, staying secure even during rough off-road travel. The Norbeer comes with a single stainless steel tap and a CO2 system that keeps the beer properly carbonated and ready to pour. A built-in drip tray catches any spills, helping to keep things clean. It's powered by a 12-volt setup, so it works with most standard 4WD electrical systems, and it's designed to use as little energy as possible to avoid draining the battery. Thick insulation keeps the beer cold, even when the weather changes. Lockable taps and access points help keep everything secure during stops or when parked. Cleaning and maintenance are simple thanks to easy-to-reach parts and surfaces. The ARB Slimline 100 is a 12-volt, 100 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery with energy storage of 1,280 watt-hours. It can handle a steady 100 ampere discharge, with a peak of 200 ampere for up to 20 minutes. The design is slim enough to fit tight spaces and lighter than traditional lead-acid options. It comes with a built-in DC-DC charger, an integrated battery management system, and direct solar input capability. It's fitted with multi-directional terminals, strong bolt joint connections, and 4 reinforced M8 mounting holes. A tough outer case, PC terminal covers, and a fuse window help protect the system, and it meets both Australian and international safety standards. The Slimline 100's low-profile shape makes it easy to hide under seats, behind drawers, or inside canopy setups, keeping storage areas clear for other gear. With its internal DC-DC charger, it can safely charge from a vehicle's alternator or straight from a 12-volt solar panel without needing extra devices. Reinforced connections handle high loads. Installation is made easier with terminals that allow flexible cable angles, built-in mounting holes, and a power switch that cuts current during setup or maintenance. It also includes practical touches like a quick access fuse window, a status LED that shows real-time battery health, and a switch to choose between solar and alternator charging. The BMS looks after the battery's safety by guarding against overcharging, short circuits, overheating, and deep discharge. Thanks to its strong 200 ampere discharge ability, it runs heavy equipment like induction cooktops, big coffee machines, and high-powered inverters without trouble. It also easily handles fridges, lights, compressors, and other travel essentials for anyone needing reliable hidden power off the grid. Just make sure you have $2,000 to spare. You're reversing your pickup with the tailgate down, the rear-view camera showing who knows what, and then suddenly, bam! Thankfully, it was only a trash bin, and not a pedestrian. That's where the tailgate mirror comes in. Weighing about 113 grams, roughly 4 ounces, and priced at $40, the TGM 500 offers a simple, smart fix. It's made from weather-resistant mirror material and attaches to the tailgate using 3M dual-lock reclosable fasteners. No drilling, wiring, or special tools needed. Installation takes just seconds, and removal is just as easy. Designed to work with most backup cameras, the mirror ensures drivers still get a clear rear view, even when the tailgate is open. When the tailgate drops, most cameras tilt uselessly toward the ground. Instead of investing in expensive custom setups, the TGM 500 reflects the correct field of view back into the camera, restoring visibility quickly and affordably. It ships in small packaging, fits most trucks, and only needs occasional cleaning with a soft cloth and mild cleaner. Built to handle typical outdoor conditions, it stays clear and durable with minimal upkeep. The 3M dual lock system holds the mirror firmly, but allows easy removal when not needed. No technical skills, no permanent modifications. The NeoDyne Loader is a powered system made to help with loading motorcycles and similar vehicles into vans, pickups, and trailers. It comes in several models to fit different setups. The AUN110 is 2.1 meter long, supports up to 550 kilograms, making it a good match for vans or sideways installs in trucks. The AUN150, often called the hybrid, works well with short bed pickups. The AUN210 stretches to 2.5 meters, handles 550 kilograms, fitting long bed pickups and larger vans. Every model can load vehicles up to 0.9 meters high, and with the AC001 extension, that limit goes up to 1.3 meters. Using it is simple. The ramp tilts to a flat position outside the vehicle thanks to the power tilt feature, making it easier to load even in tighter spaces like van interiors or RVs. It's powered by a regular 18 or 24 volt cordless drill, no need for special wiring or extra batteries, and can be operated by hand with a crank if needed. The loader's frame uses aerospace aluminum, offering the strength of mild steel without the extra weight. Every part is laser cut, welded, zinc plated, and powder coated to hold up well against the elements. It can carry a lot more than just motorcycles. With add-ons, it can move three-wheel scooters, snowmobiles, lawnmowers, jet skis, and even choppers up to 3 meters long. A slide-out tray also lets it haul different types of cargo. Thanks to the AC012 boltless kit and standard ratchet straps, installing and removing the loader takes just a few minutes. Black Armour mats aren't simply another accessory for affluent car owners. According to their creators, they inspire drivers and motivate them to explore the limits of what's possible. They are made from 100% vulcanized recycled rubber, measuring half-inch thick and weighing up to 100 pounds depending on the truck model. They come with a Traction Plus checker plate surface and a solid black finish, produced through controlled compression molding. Each mat is precision cut using ultrasonic cutting technology to match the exact shape of a truck bed. Made in North America, they are designed to stand up to serious wear and tear. These mats are tough enough to protect a truck bed from dents, scratches, and other damage caused by heavy cargo. The vulcanized rubber creates a non-porous surface that resists water, oil, and chemical absorption, helping prevent issues like mold and mildew. The checker plate pattern adds grip, keeping cargo from sliding around while driving. Thanks to their heavier weight, Black Armour mats stay flat and don't shift or bunch up like lighter options often do. The thick rubber also helps cut down on noise from cargo rattling in the back. Installation is easy, just drops the mat into place. Black Armour offers two types of fit: precision cut mats, which are designed for specific Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, Ram, Toyota, and Jeep models, and universal fit mats, which work for a wide range of other trucks. One mat costs about $330. We've got a product for people who enjoy transporting boats, kayaks, and similar cargo in their car. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles: pickups, motorhomes, campers, trailers, fifth wheels, SUVs, and vans. And its adjustable setup means it can handle different sizes and shapes easily. With a wireless remote, users can load or unload their boat at the push of a button, avoiding the heavy lifting that often leads to strain or injury. While no exact weight limit is listed, it's built to handle most recreational boats, kayaks, canoes, pontoon boats, and inflatables. Some versions even come with built-in lights to make loading in the dark easier, along with options that can be tailored to specific needs. The system is made for people who need a safer, easier way to load and move small boats and watercraft. It cuts down the physical work involved, making the process more manageable no matter someone's strength or experience level. It also speeds things up, helping users spend less time getting ready and more time out on the water. The way it's designed also helps protect both the boat and the vehicle from damage during loading. Although it's recommended to have it professionally installed to get everything working properly, the corrosion-resistant materials mean you won't have to worry much about maintenance. A quick regular check is enough to keep it running smoothly. Want to see some storage solutions? This one attaches directly to the tailgate. The HURACAN tailgate storage is made from high-quality materials, finished with a tough powder coating to help it last and keep it looking good. For the Toyota Tacoma, it weighs about 42 pounds and adds around 32 pounds to the tailgate after installation. Installing the system usually takes about an hour for models like the Tacoma and Jeep Gladiator. Some trucks, like the Chevy Colorado, need a bit more work, such as drilling, grinding, or filing. Others, like the Ford F-150 and Jeep Gladiator, are ready for a direct bolt-on install with no extra cutting or drilling needed. Gas struts make opening and closing the lid easy, while a carpeted interior helps protect your gear and keeps things quiet on the road. The fully lockable design adds a solid layer of security. Each system is made to fit the truck's tailgate exactly, so it sits clean and tight. It gives drivers a smart way to add hidden storage without giving up valuable bed space. The system is available for several trucks, including the Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2023, Ford F-150, 2021 to 2025, except models with a tailgate step and Pro Access tailgate, Chevy Colorado, 2015 to 2022, Jeep Gladiator JT, 2020 to 2025, Ram 1500, 2019 to 2025, and certain Nissan Navara D23 and Volkswagen Amarok models. Each setup lines up neatly with the original tailgate to keep everything looking factory. Some installs are easier than others. For the Tacoma, it might take a little fine-tuning. One installer mentioned adjusting the cut template by about 1/4 inch for a better fit. The Colorado takes more hands-on work, and getting a professional involved can be a good idea. Ford F-150 and Jeep Gladiator owners will find the install quicker and easier with no cutting needed. The system is priced at $595. MobileStrong offers truck bed storage drawers that focus on reliability, security, and smart organization. Each unit is made from 100% recyclable polyethylene. Inside, a strong aluminum frame helps support the structure without adding unnecessary weight. The drawer fronts are built with 3/8 inch phenolic composite and sealed with weather stripping to better guard against dust, dirt, and harsh weather. Each system can handle up to 1,000 pounds of evenly distributed weight, and individual drawers can carry up to 250 pounds. The full-size drawers measure 47 inches wide, 57 inches long, and 10 inches high, with inside space around 20 inches wide, 54 inches long, and 5 inches high. There's also a wheel well option measuring 12.5 inches wide, 59.5 inches long, and 19 inches high, made to fit around wheel spaces in the truck bed. Security is a priority, with compression T-locks standard on every drawer, and the option to add combination locks and separate pull handles. To keep everything inside clean and dry, the units are built with sealed seams and one-piece tops and sides. The materials themselves are tough enough to handle rough environments over time without breaking down. For securing extra gear, each system comes with 4 spring-loaded D-ring tie-downs. Customers can choose between non-skid rubbers top or a carpeted top, both finished with a metal trim for extra protection. Removable liners, available in either rubber or carpet, add another layer of protection inside the drawers. It is priced at $1,085. ARB IQ driving lights bring together 4 beam patterns, Super Spot, Spot, Flood, and Mid-Range, into a single unit, giving drivers real control over how they light up the road or trail. With thousands of possible beam configurations, drivers can adjust the light exactly how they need it for any situation. The lights are housed in a tough, high-pressure die-cast aluminum body, with a clear-coated polycarbonate lens, made to handle rough conditions without backing down. Integrated heat ducts and the solid aluminium construction help manage temperature, keeping the lights running consistently even during heavy use. Drivers can take control either through the Bluetooth connected app, the ARB Links vehicle interface, or a physical controller with 8 programmable switches. Extra features include a work light mode for when the vehicle is stationary, and a courtesy light mode to softly light up surroundings when getting in or out. Technically, the lights operate between 11 to 32 volts, pulling 170 watts. Raw light output hits 7,000 lumens for Spot and 14,000 lumens for Flood. Beam distances at 1 lux for a pair stretch out to 1,350 meters for Spot, 1,105 meters for Combo, and 900 meters for Flood. Color temperature sits between 5,700 and 6,200 Kelvin, and the lights keep working from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius. Each light measures 220 millimeters wide, 215 millimeters tall, 142 millimeters deep, and weighs 3.8 kilograms. The price for a pair of headlights is approximately $1,850. Headache rack is built to stand up to years of use. Each rack is sandblasted and finished with a powder coat, offered in several colors like standard texture black. It comes in 4 different models to fit a variety of trucks. The FS model stands 24 inches tall, the MSX model is 20 inches, the SD model is 27 inches, and the GL model is 24 inches. There's also an optional window protector insert that can add another layer of protection for the rear window. Thanks to a modular design, users can expand the setup later by adding pieces to create a full ladder rack system. It's designed to fit a wide range of pickup trucks, and depending on the model, installation might not even require drilling. Made in North America, the CHANNELLOCK Headache Rack is a reliable choice for anyone looking to add more protection and function to their truck. The aluminum frame holds up well against tough weather and heavy use, and the range of color options gives people a chance to match or personalize their vehicle. Different height models let users pick what best fits their truck and the way they use it. BTS Lighting's vehicle lighting kit delivers serious performance right from the start. Each unit pushes out 60 watts of power, around 6,000 lumens of brightness, and a 6,500 Kelvin color temperature for a crisp white beam. It runs on a standard 12-volt DC input, which means it fits most trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs without a problem. The body is made from die-cast aluminum to handle impacts and rough weather, while the lens uses tough polycarbonate to stand up to road debris and daily wear. To keep things cool, the kit uses liquid-filled copper tubes, along with a built-in high-speed fan, helping manage heat and reduce fogging inside the light. The lights are sealed tight against dust and can even handle being underwater for short periods. Each light measures about 7 inches across and comes with all the mounting hardware needed to get them installed. Priced at $100 per unit, the kit is aimed at drivers who want their vehicles to stand out, while also getting dependable lighting. BTS Lighting says the design brings together strong brightness with a throwback, retro look, giving pickups and trucks an eye-catching upgrade. The beam is shaped to improve night driving and tough weather visibility without creating too much glare for others on the road. The included wiring harness makes installation simple, hooking right up to most vehicle models without needing a lot of adjustments or special tools. BTS Lighting offers this kit as a way for drivers to give their vehicles a sharper, more defined look while getting reliable performance out of their lights. Imagine the ultimate mobile crate for your dog. Durable, cozy, and built for every adventure. That's exactly what the Impact Dog Crate delivers. It is made from 100% military-grade powder-coated aluminum. It comes in sizes 30, 34, 40, and 48 inch. With weights ranging from 35 to 55 pounds depending on the size. Folded down, it stays under 8 inches tall. It has a single front door with an automatic slam latch, strong butterfly latches to lock it in place, ventilation holes on all sides, and sets up or breaks down without any tools. For air travel, optional rail attachments make it IATA compliant. Made in the USA, the crate holds up to dogs that chew, scratch, or push hard against regular crates. The powder-coated surface helps prevent scratches and keeps it looking clean, even after plenty of use. Smooth, rounded edges protect the dog's coat and avoid injuries. It folds flat in under a minute, making it easy to store or move around when needed without losing strength while set up. A strong hinge system and butterfly latches keep everything secure once the crate is open. When folded, it fits easily into the back of an SUV or a closet. Built-in handles on the top make it simple for one person to carry and set it up. It's a good option for people traveling with their dogs, going to competitions, or needing a tough crate for everyday use. The solid aluminum floor supports optional orthopedic pads if extra comfort is needed. Inside, the crate feels open without any crossbars getting in the way, and the strong walls hold up against hard pushes or chewing. Setup is quick. Lift the sides, lock them in place, and close the door. The cost is a significant $670, but when it comes to your dog's comfort and safety, it's absolutely worth it. Staying true to its name, the DV8 Offroad team offers a spare tire mount designed for off-road enthusiasts. Installation takes roughly an hour and a half, and the cost is $490. It is made from 3.5mm thick steel and finished with a micro-texture black powder coat to hold up against rust, scratches, and tough conditions. It's adjustable to fit tires from 7 to 14 inches wide. Both sides come with mola panels, giving drivers a spot to strap on extra gear like recovery tools, fuel cans, or whatever else the trail might call for. Installation is bolt-on, so no drilling or major changes to the truck are needed. Designed to fit most truck beds, the UNB M01 offers a solid solution for carrying oversized tires and important gear without overcomplicating the setup. The UNB M01 focuses on what matters: strength, function, and simplicity. Even portable toilet maintenance has gone high-tech with the ROM Flexi 55300, allowing you to tackle the job directly from your pickup. It mounts easily onto pickup trucks or open platforms. It features a 550-litre vacuum tank and a 300-litre clean water tank. Powered by a reliable Honda petrol engine, it can handle at least 20 cabins a day. With a total vehicle mass under 3,500 kilograms, it stays within the limit for a standard Category B driver's license. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver through tight city streets and reach remote locations. The unit is built to keep up with busy schedules, helping operators move quickly from one job to the next without unnecessary delays. Controls are placed within easy reach to reduce strain and help the operator work more efficiently. The galvanized tank and frame are made to resist corrosion, giving the equipment a long working life. It fits well into a range of jobs, from managing sanitation at large events to keeping construction sites clean, or helping municipalities maintain public toilets in parks and urban spaces. The design is simple enough that operators can get started with minimal training, keeping things straightforward for new teams. A CabRak offers an excellent way to transport long items such as ladders and boards. It is made from heavy-duty plastic with a honeycomb texture that keeps it strong without adding extra weight. It measures about 35 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 9 inches tall. Weighing around 12 pounds, it's easy to move and store when not in use. Installation is simple. It secures to the cab with an included ratchet strap, so there's no risk of damaging the truck. When it's time to take it off, the strap tucks neatly into a built-in compartment for easy storage. Designed to carry long loads without needing to permanently alter a pickup, the CabRak works with a wide range of truck models. It gives contractors, tradespeople, and anyone tackling big projects an easy way to move ladders, lumber, pipes, and other oversized gear. The way the CabRak sets against the back corner of the cab keeps cargo from scraping against the truck's surface, helping protect the paint and body from dents and scratches. The design also angles the load over the cab, which spreads out the weight better and takes some of the strain off the tailgate. That can make a big difference when driving with heavy or awkward items. Setting up or removing the CabRak only takes a few minutes, and since it's fairly light, one person can handle it without much trouble. When it's not needed, it breaks down quickly and stores without taking up a lot of space. The sliding tray is made for Ford Ranger models from 2012 to 2025, covering PX, PX2, PX3, and next-gen versions. It carries up to 250 kilograms of evenly spread load and comes with two surface options: a plastic version for those who want something lighter, and an aluminum version for extra strength and corrosion resistance. The tray slides out about 75% of the tub's length, running on heavy-duty, industrial-grade roller bearings. It has several lockout positions to hold it safely in place, even on slopes. The frame is powder-coated high-strength steel, and a solid latch makes it easy to open with one hand. Installation bolts straight into factory mounts without the need for any permanent changes. This setup completely changes how people use the back of their Ranger. It gives easy access to gear, tools, and supplies without needing to climb in and out of the tub, saving a lot of time and effort. The sliding action stays smooth even under a full load, and the multiple lock points keep the tray steady when the ground isn't level. The aluminum option adds a clean, strong finish without putting too much extra weight on the vehicle. Powder coating protects the frame against rust, dirt, and salt, helping the tray stand up to tough conditions. Using the tray is simple. Just pull it out, even if you've got your hands full. It fits in with the Ranger's look and makes the back of the vehicle much more organized. Tools, gear, and supplies stay secure and within easy reach. Whether for work, travel, or anything in between, the sliding tray drawer makes everyday jobs easier and keeps everything where it should be. The platform costs $955, but think of it as an investment in convenience rather than just an expense. Need more space on the platform? The TANGO system have the solution. It installs directly onto truck bed rails with no drilling, designed to fit models like the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, Nissan Navara, and VW Amarok. The bed rails come with integrated C-channels that let users easily add different accessories. TANGO also includes anodized aluminum bed rail caps that guard against scratches, scuffs, and dents, while giving the truck a clean, polished look. Installation is quick and doesn't need any special tools, so the truck stays intact and ready for upgrades. The system is built around a modular setup, letting owners add what they need when they need it. The anodized aluminum finish blends well with factory details like chrome door handles and wheels, keeping everything looking consistent. Accessories for the TANGO system include the Sport Lid, Loadmaster, Sport Bar, crossbars, and bike racks. The Sport Lid is a hard tonneau cover with a central locking system, interior lighting for better visibility, and extra load capacity both on top of and under the lid. It's easy to put on and take off. The Loadmaster is a bed organizer made from aluminum and canvas fabric with adjustable dividers that slide into different positions. It also installs without needing any extra tools. The Sport Bar adds a strong roll bar to the truck and, on some models, an integrated brake light. Crossbars offer options for adding roof racks or carrying extra gear, and bike racks mount quickly using the side rails. The Ford Ranger version is priced at $550. Elongator multifunction tailgate starts with a 2-foot steel extension that locks into 2 different positions. 180 degrees to give the truck bed a longer, flat surface for extra cargo, and 210 degrees to set up a base for the loading ramps. It handles up to 850 pounds without rattling while driving. 2 6-foot aluminum ramps come tucked inside the tailgate and can each hold up to 700 pounds. They lock into different spots along the extension when needed. There's also the option to add a backup camera and a remote lock, both wired to work with the truck's original key fob. Replacing the factory tailgate, this setup gives truck owners an easy way to manage bigger loads without extra hassle. Installation is quick, usually under 10 minutes. The existing hardware from the original tailgate is reused, keeping the process simple. For trucks with electronic features, the Elongator hooks into the wiring so everything works like it did before. This system helps with everyday tasks that go beyond what a standard tailgate can handle. It supports long items like lumber, pipes, or kayaks that wouldn't normally fit in the bed. It also makes loading up motorcycles, ATVs, lawnmowers, and similar gear safer and easier thanks to the integrated ramps. The 180-degree extension turns into a stable work surface for repairs, construction, or any project on the go. This tailgate upgrade kit is priced at $2,150. Next, let's talk about DumperDogg. It turns a regular pickup into a hard-working dump truck, giving crews a simple, cost-effective way to move and unload heavy loads. It can handle up to 6,000 pounds and, with optional sidewall extensions, carry up to 3.5 cubic yards of material. A hydraulic scissor hoist lifts the bed to a 45-degree angle, making unloading fast and easy. The tailgate, built with double pivoting, removable hinges and sturdy 3/4-inch stainless steel pins, is designed for quick access when loading or unloading. Power comes from a 3-horsepower motor with a self-contained hydraulic system that hooks directly into the truck's electrical setup. Operators control it using a tethered box with a 10-foot cord, and a body-up indicator kit adds an extra layer of safety while working. You can choose between a few material options: 12-gauge steel with a black powder-coated finish, 12-gauge 304 stainless steel, or a double-wall polymer design with solid side walls. There are also add-ons like cab guards in steel or stainless steel, sidewall extension brackets for bigger loads, manual top kits to cover cargo, and a tailgate spreader for winter use. Installation takes about 2 hours and is designed for 3/4 ton and larger trucks with either a 6-foot or 8-foot bed. The insert bolts right to the truck's frame and comes with 20-foot battery cables and a 150-ampere circuit breaker. The tethered control box lets operators run the hoist safely from outside the truck. The BedLock system uses a modular setup with interlocking platform sections that create a solid base in the truck bed. Divider sections come in 12-inch and 18-inch sizes, so users can set up compartments to match what they're carrying. 2-pin connectors lock the dividers firmly in place, stopping anything from sliding around while on the move. Made from tough, impact-resistant plastic, the system holds up well under heavy use and different weather conditions. While no specific weight limit is given, the materials suggest it can handle anything from tools to outdoor gear without trouble. Flexibility is a major part of the design. The layout can be changed easily to fit different cargo shapes and sizes. It's meant to fit standard pickup truck beds, though it's a good idea to double-check the fit for a specific model. Assembly doesn't need any tools. The sections snap together by hand, making setup and adjustments quick. Cleaning is easy, and the plastic doesn't rust or wear out quickly, even with regular use. The BedLock system works well in a lot of everyday situations. It keeps tools separated and steady, making them easier to grab when needed. It stops groceries from tipping or rolling around on the drive home. It's also a solid option for carrying camping gear, sports equipment, or other outdoor supplies, keeping everything in place from start to finish. On the job, contractors and service workers can use it to organize tools and materials so they stay sorted and easy to reach. Priced at $400 initially, the concept is straightforward. Special tiles are installed across the bed surface, featuring adjustable slots to easily secure a variety of loads, from gas cylinders to toolboxes. Although the BedLock Kickstarter campaign didn't meet its goal, the company pushed forward and started producing BedLock units by order. However, the price has since risen to $499. The Aero X cap from MVS is designed for pickup truck owners who want better aerodynamics and a smarter way to use their trucks. It weighs around 150 pounds and is made from reinforced fiberglass composite with an automotive-grade finish that holds up against UV rays and rough weather. It attaches to the cargo box without any drilling or permanent changes, so the truck's structure stays intact. Gas shocks help lift and lower the rear section easily. For those looking for extra features, MVS offers a rear spoiler to boost airflow even more, along with an option to add a sound system. The Aero X cap first hit the market for the Ford F-150 and sells for $7,500. Versions for Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan pickups are in the works, according to MVS. The cap's sleek design cuts down on drag, which can help with fuel economy and gives the truck a cleaner, more finished look. Because of the materials and design choices, the cap stays strong, without weighing down the truck too much. Installation is simple enough that most drivers can handle it without needing special tools or a trip to a shop. The cap lines up with the truck's original shape, making it look like a natural extension rather than an afterthought. MVS created the Aero X cap for drivers who want more out of their trucks, better performance on the road, protection for their cargo, and a more polished appearance. It offers a practical upgrade for people who use their pickups every day and want something that fits right, works well, and still leaves the truck ready for whatever job comes next. The custom exhaust system starts with massive pipes, each measuring over 200 millimeters in diameter. It's made from tough materials. The pipes are put together using TIG or MIG welding, making the joints strong and reliable. Mandrel bends keep the inside of the pipes smooth, helping exhaust gases flow better and cutting down on back pressure. Finishes can be polished, brushed, or ceramic coated, depending on the look and level of protection needed. Strong, custom-made brackets hold everything in place, built to support the extra weight and vibration. Some setups include high-flow mufflers, resonators to adjust the sound, and V-band clamps that make the system easier to take apart if needed. If the pickup's bed is empty now, it won't stay that way. A group of experienced builders steps in to install the system, turning the truck into something that stands out. In a creative move, one of them starts by shaping a PVC drain pipe to map out the size and curve of the setup. Once the measurements are locked in, the real metal parts are made and installed. This way, they can get everything right the first time without wasting expensive material. The giant pipes give the truck a bold, unmistakable look. But it's not just about appearances. With smoother flow, the engine breathes easier, which can mean better performance too. Exhaust tips are finished to match the rest of the build, either polished to a mirror shine or covered with a tougher ceramic layer, depending on the final style. This kind of upgrade is usually done for lifted trucks or custom builds where sound, performance, and a strong visual impact are all part of the plan. This lift addresses a crucial issue by simplifying the loading and unloading of wheelchairs, scooters, and similar items. It can handle up to 200 pounds in its standard version, and up to 350 pounds with the heavy-duty PUL 1100 HD models. The lift itself weighs about 80 pounds for the standard, and 90 pounds for the heavy-duty version. It works with manual wheelchairs, power wheelchairs, 3-wheel scooters, and 4-wheel scooters. The Out-Rider fits most mid-size and full-size pickup trucks, including standard, extended, and crew cab models, and it works with pickup beds measuring 5.5, 6.5, and 8 feet. It connects to the truck's 12-volt battery and comes with a standard handheld control, with an option to add controls near the driver's door. With the press of a button, the lift raises, rotates, and lowers a mobility device into the truck bed. It removes the need for heavy lifting and offers a practical way to manage everyday transportation needs. Users can install it on either the driver or passenger side, depending on what works best for them. The Out-Rider is built to hold up well against rough weather and regular use, offering steady performance over time. For those who change trucks, the lift can be moved and reinstalled on a new vehicle without much trouble. The Out-Rider is designed to make life a little easier for people who rely on mobility devices. Instead of struggling with loading and unloading by hand, users can count on simple, reliable operation. The Bruno P1100 model comes with a price tag of $4,990. Watergen's atmospheric water generators use a patented system called Genius Heat Exchange Technology. It works by drawing air from the environment, filtering it, cooling it to form water, and then running the water through several purification steps, including adding minerals and UV treatment. These systems perform reliably between 15 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius and can handle humidity levels as low as 20%. The GEN-L model produces up to 6,000 liters of water each day, using about 60 kilowatt-hour normally and up to 90 kilowatt-hour at peak times. It weighs 2,630 kilograms. Its design allows multiple units to work together to meet larger needs like supplying villages, factories, or military bases. Gen M Pro makes up to 900 liters per day, with energy use around 350 watt-hours per liter. Gen M1 delivers up to 220 liters a day, using between 2.2 and 3.5 kilowatt per hours. Founded in Israel in 2009, Watergen focuses on making drinking water directly from the air. Its machines are used around the world, from busy cities to isolated villages. They only need electricity to run, making them helpful even in disaster areas or places without a stable water supply. By creating water on-site, they help reduce the need for bottled water and cut down on plastic waste. Every system meets international standards for drinking water quality. Expedition 1, dual swing-out rear bumper, is built with serious off-road use in mind, using 3/16 inch and 1/4 inch thick steel for the internal frame and a 3/16 inch outer skin. Depending on the vehicle and setup, it weighs between 200 and 225 pounds. It comes with dual swing-out arms that have universal plate backings, giving plenty of options for mounting extra gear. Each arm locks open when needed, and a patented latch keeps everything secure without constant rattling. The bumper can handle tires up to 40 inches, though 37 inches is the sweet spot for best handling. It's designed to work with a range of Expedition 1 accessories, like mounts for spare tires, high-lift jacks, jerry fuel and water cans, Scepter, DOE, NATO cans, and recovery boards. There's also built-in support for relocating OEM sensors, although it may require additional bezels depending on the setup. If needed, an optional bracket moves the backup camera above the license plate to keep visibility clear, even when the swing arms are shut. This bumper is aimed at people who need real capability for overlanding, off-road trips, and heavy-duty travel. The spare tire mount uses a 3-stud setup that fits a wide range of aftermarket wheels, but spacers might be needed if the wheels have extreme positive offsets. Kelderman Manufacturing designs air suspension systems that use trusted Firestone or Goodyear airbags for long-lasting performance. Many of their setups come with Viair 400C compressors, making sure the suspension always has a steady air supply. Depending on the system, drivers can pick between simple manual controls or more advanced options like AccuAir, which offers automatic leveling and remote adjustments. Self-leveling kits are available for both the 2-stage and 4-link setups, keeping the ride height steady even when loads change. Kelderman systems fit a wide range of vehicles, including Ford Super Duty trucks, F250 to F550, Ram 2500 and 3500 series, Chevy and GMC 2500 HD and 3500 HD models, along with chassis cabs, RVs and trailers. Since opening in 1990 in Iowa, Kelderman has built a reputation for helping heavy-duty trucks, RVs and commercial vehicles ride smoother, handle weight better, and stay level no matter the load. The 2-stage rear air suspension replaces factory leaf springs with a swing arm and airbag design, keeping the original ride height, but delivering a softer, more controlled drive. For those needing even more, the 4-link rear air suspension completely changes the rear setup, swapping in trailing arms and airbags for better ride quality, more axle movement, and stronger load support. On the front end, the 2-stage front air suspension replaces coil springs with airbags, giving drivers the ability to adjust the ride height and adding extra support for trucks carrying heavier gear like snowplows or big bumpers. Kelderman systems give drivers real advantages: smoother rides over rough roads, adjustable ride height to match different driving needs, and better handling with heavy or shifting loads. Plus, with powder-coated parts available in different colors, drivers can customize the look of their truck while getting the performance they need day in and day out.